Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Silent Hill F game crashing, not launching, lagging or other issues on PS5. So the first method is to restart your PlayStation. This is one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then choose power, then select restart PS5. After restarting, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to check storage space. For that, first go to PS5 settings and then move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete saved data. After that, go to PS5 settings. Now tap on saved data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5. Here choose console storage and then tap on delete option. After this, if you can play the game. If not, third option is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first, then hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. Fourth method is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, then go to users and accounts and move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select the game and then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next solution is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check for an update option and then try to launch the game and see if it helps. Next method is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, then click on system software update and settings. Here select update system software and finally select update using internet option. After that, try to play the game. Next method is to sign out and sign in to PS5. So for that, go to settings, then tap on users and accounts. Next go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error if it is resolved. If not, next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, first go to settings, then network, then settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz only or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to change language on console. For that, first open PS5 settings and then go to system. Here select language option in the left sidebar. Choose current language. After that, change your language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next method is to reset your console settings. For that, first open settings on PS5 then move to system. Now select reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings. At last choose restore option. Once done, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to reinstall Silent Hill F game. For that, highlight Silent Hill F on your PS5, then press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally restart your PS5 and install Silent Hill F game again to check for the error. If not, the final solution is to contact support. So if the issue still continues and nothing works for you, then you should take help of the PlayStation support. I have already provided the link in the description. They will better suggest you the solution and you can be into the game once again. So these are few solutions to fix Silent Hill F game crashing, lagging, not launching on PS5. So that's all for now. Thank you.